Hello dear students, once again welcome back to the maths class. In today's class we will discuss exercise 6.3 in which we will learn how to draw angles using scale and protractor. So if you don't have scale and protractor right now, pause the video here, be ready with your notebook, bring ruler or scale and protractor and bring pencil, eraser, sharpener, whatever you want. Be ready with all these tools, okay? And bring notebook also. So let us start. Question number 1. Read question number 1 carefully. Open book page number 109. Book page number is 109. Open book page number 109. Question number 1 of exercise 6.3. Draw the following angles using a scale and protractor. This tool is known as scale and this semicircular tool is known as protractor. I already gave you introduction of it to you, okay? This is known as protractor. By using this we measure angles. Okay, today we will draw angle by using these two tools. So, let us take question A, which is showing 30 degree. Draw 30-degree angle using scale and protractor. So, by using scale, you need to draw 30 degree. It is your task. So, to draw, what you will do, there are two steps to follow. Step 1, draw a ray of any length. Ray you can draw. Draw a ray. You know how ray looks? You know what is ray? Ray has one end point. Ray has one end point and at other point it is, we can extend it. Okay? At other point we can extend ray. So this is how ray looks. Okay? Excuse me. It is ray. It has one end point and other point we can extend it. First step is draw ray and give name to it. Give name to this ray as AB. AB. I have drawn a ray. Step 1 is draw ray and give name to it. Okay. Step 1 is done. Now step 2. Be ready with your protractor. Keep the center of the baseline. You know the baseline of your protractor? Keep the center of baseline on point A. Keep the center on point A and coincide the baseline with line AB. Be remember your baseline must be coincide with your ray. Your protractor is transparent, right? Coincide your baseline. Coincide the baseline of the protractor with this line, okay? And your center point should coincide with point A. Place your protractor in this manner. Now, don't move the protractor. Be ready with your pencil. Now see from the baseline from 0 degree where 30 degrees, 30 is written on the protractor. On the inner scale. On the inner scale, observe where 30 degree is written. It is the inner scale, 30 degrees here. Mark with the pencil. Make a dot with the pencil and remove your protractor. Okay. Now we got a mark here. Now join this point A with this mark. Okay. can give name to this ray as C. So angle CAB. We remember at point A angle is formed. So we are writing A in center. So angle CAB is 30 degree. Okay, this is how we form angle. Just 2 steps are there. What are 2 steps? First, draw ray and give name to it. Okay, and the next step is keep the center of the baseline of protector on point A and coincide the baseline with line AB and mark the point on 30 degree. Join the A with point C. Okay, and you got your angle. Now let us draw 55 degree. Remember one thing, this drawing you will do by using pencil. Do not use pen. Okay, 55 degree. How to make 55 degree? So place your scale on your notebook. Draw a ray. First step is draw a ray. So let us draw a ray. Okay. You can give, it is a ray, one end point and other point we can extend it. That is why I am showing it by arrow. Okay, now give name to this ray. You can give any name. I am giving AB. Okay, I have drawn the ray and give name to it, means step 1 is done here. Now what we will do, we will place our protector in such manner that the center of the baseline will be at A. Okay, and the baseline must coincide with line AB. Right now my baseline is not coinciding, so I am moving my protector little bit. Now my baseline is on line AB, right? Can you see it? Yes, my baseline is coinciding with the ray AB. Now what is the measure of the angle? 55 degree. Do not move your protector. Okay, if you place it properly, then fix it here. Now 55 degree. So observe the inner scale of the protector. Observe the inner scale of the protector. Where is 50? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and small 5 division shows 55. So 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. Mark the point here. This point is 55 degree. Okay. Now you can remove protector. Now join this point, this mark with A. Okay, give name to this arm also, like C. I am giving C, you can give any name to it. Okay, so the space between this is 55 degree. So we can say that angle CAB is 55 degree. So this is how we draw angle. Only 2 steps we need to follow. First draw ray by using ruler and then use protector to mark the angle. Now next, question number C. The given angle is of 110 degree. 110 degree. 110 degree. The given angle is 110 degree. How we draw any angle? First we draw ray. So let us draw a ray. Okay. Ray has one end point and at other point we can extend it. Okay. Draw ray and give name to it. I have done my first step. I have drawn the ray and give name to it. Okay. Now next step. For step 2 we will require protector. What we will do? We'll keep the center of the baseline on point A. So I am keeping center of the baseline on point A. Now coincide your baseline with ray AB. So I coincide now. Okay, this is how we coincide. Center on point A and coincide the baseline with AB. Now how much angle? 110 degree. Now observe the inner scale. Observe the inner scale of the protector. Where 110 degree is located? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 degree. Here at this point. So mark the point with the help of pencil. Mark a point here. It is showing 110 degree. Now you can remove your protector. Take the help of scale to join both the points, point A and point C. So this point is point C and this measure is of 110 degree. So angle CAB is of 110 degree. Okay, so this is how we draw angle by using scale and protector. Now next D. Now D, the given angle measure is 85 degree. Now we want to draw 85 degree. 2 steps to follow. First, step 1 is draw a ray. So I have drawn a ray. Now give name to this ray. I am giving AB. You can give any name by your choice. Okay, I am giving name AB. Okay. Step 1 is complete here. Now step 2. For step 2, I will require protector. How I will draw the 85 degree? What I need to do? I will keep the center of the baseline on point A. Okay, I have kept the center. Now, I will mark the angle. No. What I need to do? I need to coincide the baseline with ray AB. Coincide the baseline with ray AB. Okay. Now fix the protector here and observe the inner scale of the protector. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 80 is here. But we want to draw 85, so count the 5 small lines after 80. 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at this point, 85 is showing. So mark a point here with the help of pencil. You can remove your protector now. Now join A with this point. Give name to this point as C. So this is showing 85 degree. So angle CAB is of 85 degree. Okay. So this is how we draw angle 85 degree. Now next E, 90 degree. 90 degree is called as which angle it is? 90 degree is right angle. Okay. Now we want to make right angle. So to make right angle, again same steps are there. First, draw a ray. By using scale, draw a ray. Okay, I have draw a ray. Give name to it as AB. Now what I will do, I will keep the center of the baseline on A and coincide the baseline with ray AB. Okay, I have placed my protector. Now where 90 is written on the inner scale? Here. So mark the point with the help of pencil. Mark the point here. You can remove your protector. Now by using ruler, join both the points A and C. Okay. So this is showing that it is 90 degree, and 90 degree is called as right angle. Here angle CAB is equals to 90 degree. Observe one thing, that at point A angle is formed here, at point A angle is formed here, so I am writing A in between. Okay. Now next F. Given angle measure is 125 degree. How to draw 125 degree? So for drawing, two steps are there. Step 1, draw a ray. So let us draw a ray. Give name to it as AB. Okay, step 1 is complete here. Now step 2. So for step 2 we will require our protector. Keep center of the protector on point A. Okay. Now coincide the baseline with line or ray AB. Coincide it. So I coincide it. Okay. Now what measure I want to mark? 125. So observe where 125 is there. Observe the inner scale of the protector. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 degree, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. But we want 125. So after 120, count small 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It represents 125. So with the help of pencil, mark a dot here. After marking the dot, you can remove your protector. Now give name to it as C. Give name to this point as C. Now you can join point A and C. Join both the points. Okay. So this angle is showing 125 degree. Angle CAB is equals to 125 degree. I hope now both the steps are clear to you, how we draw angles by using scale and protector. So the last question of this exercise. Question number G. Degree we want to draw. We want to draw 70 degree. So what you will do on your notebook, we want to draw 70 degree. So two steps to follow. First step is draw a ray. By using pencil, draw a ray. Step 1 is complete here? No. First give name to it as AB. Now step 1 is complete. Okay. Now for step 2, we need protector. Okay. What we will do? Keep the center of the scale on point A. Keep the center on point A. Now coincide the baseline of protector with ray AB. Coincide it. Okay. Now don't move your protector. Okay. We have coincide the baseline of protector with ray AB. Now which measure we want to draw? We want to draw 70 degree. So So observe the inner scale of the protector. Okay, it is 0 degree, 10 degree, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70 degree. This point is 70 degree. So with the help of pencil, mark here at this point. Okay, now you can remove your protector. Give a name to this point as C. Now join A and C by using scale. So this space is our required angle 70 degree. So angle CAB is of 70 degree measure. Okay. So this is how, by using two steps, we can draw angles by using protector and scale. Exercise is complete here. We will meet in another lecture with new concepts. Bye students.